Hey there, future legal eagles. Today I'm breaking down an essential topic for your law studies: foreign judgments in India under the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908, commonly known as the CPC. Let's dive right in. First up, what exactly is a foreign judgment? Simply put, it's the decision of a court from a country outside India that determines the rights of parties in a legal matter. Now, how does India recognize these foreign judgments? This is where Section 13 of the CPC comes in. Section 13 outlines the conditions under which a foreign judgment is recognized and enforced in India. A foreign judgment is considered conclusive between the same parties on any matter adjudicated, with a few exceptions. Let's go through these exceptions. 1. Lack of jurisdiction. If the foreign court didn't have jurisdiction over the matter, the judgment won't be recognized. 2. Merit-based decision. If the judgment wasn't delivered on the merits of the case, it's not enforceable. 3. Public policy. Any judgment that violates Indian public policy is unenforceable. 4. Fraud. If the judgment was obtained by fraud, it's a no-go. 5. Violation of natural justice. If the judgment disregarded principles of natural justice, it won't stand. 6. Contrary to Indian law. If the judgment sustains a claim that breaches Indian law, it won't be recognized. Moving on to Section 14 of the CPC, which deals with the presumption of correctness. It presumes that a foreign judgment was rendered by a competent court unless proven otherwise. However, this presumption can be rebutted by demonstrating that the judgment falls under one of the exceptions we just discussed. Now, how do we enforce these foreign judgments in India? There are two primary ways. 1. Through a reciprocal territory, Section 44A of CPC. If the judgment comes from a country with which India has a reciprocal arrangement, like the UK or Singapore, it can be enforced as if it were an Indian court decree. Just file a certified copy of the judgment with an Indian district court. 2. Through a fresh suit. If no reciprocal arrangement exists, the judgment holder must file a fresh suit in India based on the foreign judgment. The court will examine its validity under Section 13 before enforcement. Let's look at some key case laws. In Satya v. Teja Singh, 1975, the importance of jurisdiction in recognizing foreign judgments was highlighted. Kartar Singh vs. Must Teja, 1959, discussed the application of natural justice principles. Y. Narasimha Rao v. Y. Venkata Lakshmi, 1991, was a landmark case where a divorce decree from the USA was not recognized in India due to jurisdictional issues and violation of Indian law. In conclusion, India's CPC provides a structured approach to dealing with foreign judgments. While it recognizes such judgments to promote international comity, it safeguards the rights of its citizens by setting strict conditions to avoid misuse. Understanding these provisions ensures a balanced approach to the enforcement of foreign judicial decisions. Thanks for watching, and keep those legal minds sharp.